Hey, all right, it is spring break. Take it easy. Take a good break. Just refresh. Do whatever you need to do. Just the one kind of word of warning for you is that the week we come back from spring break, that is your next exam. All right, so Group A, you get it right off the bat, Monday morning. Group B, you got until Wednesday. But that's exam 3 is going to be that week after spring break. So it's going to cover chapter 8 and 9. 8 was the joints chapter. That one was shorter, but I'm telling you, go back and review that, because what happens so much is people go, man, I really just need to focus on the muscles because that's the hard stuff. And if you completely neglect chapter 8, you might have forgotten a lot of that material. All right. So chapter 8 is the joints, and then there were 2 parts on chapter 9. That was the muscles. Make sure you prepare for that. Just like I said, reminder on your phone, something like that. Just make sure you snap out of spring break mode enough to start studying and prepare for that. Okay. What I'm going to do, like our last test, when we do meet back and we have the test, I'm going to leave the lab room open. So I know our next lab exam is kind of a ways off, but if you want to, you can go in and start kind of brushing up on the muscles and everything. So it'll have been like a couple weeks since we covered the head and shoulder and the arm muscles. So that'll give you a chance to kind of brush up on those too, because we're going to pick up on the muscles next week, or the week after our test. All right. Have good spring break. Relax, do whatever you need to do, and I will see you when we come back.